everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back with a new learning video of how to create a professional Facebook page. So watch the video till the end without skipping, and also like our video, and if you are new in our channel then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's start. First of all, open Chrome and search for Facebook. After searching it, log into your account and click on menu, and after clicking on menu, find pages and click on pages. And here click on create a new page, and here it have three parts: page name, category, description. Right here write your page name. Mine is Takov, so give your page a name. And from the next one, write from which category your page belongs. Mine is about information technology, so I will click on information technology company. And in the last one, add a description about your channel, which describe your channel in a special way at description box that attracts everyone. So here I will type that Takov YouTube channel is a platform where technological issues and its solution will be discussed, and beside that it's the best place for learning technological stuff. And then next click on create page. Here your page is created, and then they will ask you to connect your Facebook page to WhatsApp. So write here in that box, type your number and click on send code. You will receive a code on your number, so type that code in that box, enter code. After entering the code, click on confirm. Beside that, there is an option of add a button, which means the action you want your page visitors to take. So there is a lot of options, and here I will scroll down. You have to select those buttons according to your page. Mine is about a YouTube channel, so I will click on watch a video. I have copied my channel's website, so here I will paste that. Now click on save. So my channel's button is created. Create yours as well according to your page. And the next one, set up your page up for success. There's lots of options you have to do. And now I will go to update profile picture. You have to select a profile picture for your page. So here I will select a picture. Here you have to resize it or reposition it. After doing it, click on save. And the next step is to add a cover photo. Click on add cover photo. now click on edit, update photo, and select a photo for your cover. And now click on Save Changes. It's done. The next one is to create a page name. I've created it. So the next one is choose a category, add a profile picture, add a cover photo, and add a description. They all are done, so let's go toward the next one, which is provide info and preferences. And the first one is to add a website. You have to enter the website of your channel. So here mine is about my YouTube channel, so I will give my YouTube channel's website. Now it's done, and the next one is location info. Okay, click on add location info. It's on your choice, either you will give your location or not. So here is the location info, and click on add location. And here they have asked you three things: your address, your complete address, the city you are living in, and the IP code. And if you don't want to share your location or give your location, then click on my page doesn't have a location, and then save it. The next one is business hour. Click on add hours, and here click on no hours available. You can, if you have any shop or restaurant, then you can choose always open or any of them. The next one is introduce your page, which have two steps. The first one is to invite 10 or more than 10 friends. Click on invite friends, and from here select those 10 friends to invite at your page. And the next one is welcome people to your page and create a welcome post. So here you have to create a welcome post and post it on your page. So here I will type my welcome post. So here's my welcome post that welcome to Tackle. It's a platform where technological issues and its solution will be discussed, and inside that is a place for learning technological stuff. Then click on post. And here you can see all the settings are done. My page is fully ready. It's the easiest way I have taught you all. So try this and create your own page. And here you can see how it's opened or shown. So the page is successfully ready. If you have any question regarding to this video, then make sure to ask us on comment section. or if you have any other problem, then tell us on comment section. We will try our best to solve out your problem. So also like our video, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.